How to add animated text on CapCut. So on CapCut, you can add it so that your text on your screen can come in and be animated in different ways. By doing this first, we're going to make sure we're clicked off the video, and on the bottom bar, we're going to click on text. So we're going to write whatever text we want this to be. So we'll say, hello, my name is... And I'm just going to change the color really quick here so that way you guys can see it better. All right, so then on the top bar underneath where we text in the phrase of whatever we wanted to say, we are going to scroll to animations. So then we can click on whatever sort of animations we like, and it is going to then animate our text.